Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting F Droid onto your device and allowing installations outside the App Store. First, enable the appropriate install permission in settings for your browser or file manager. Next, download the F Droid APK from a trusted source, and once downloaded, tap the file to install. Make sure to grant the installer permission to write and install apps. This step lets you update apps later. Once done, open F Droid and allow it to refresh its repository index so you see available apps. You now search and choose apps inside F Droid. Use the search bar or browse categories to narrow results and apply filters for privacy or maturity. Tap an app to read its description, license, source repository, and last update so you understand maintenance and trust. When you press Install, confirm the permissions request and let the package manager complete installation. If you want automatic updates, enable background updates for selected apps. Otherwise, manually review updates to control changes and preserve. Finish by managing updates and handling problems so F Droid stays reliable. In Settings, set update intervals, add or remove repositories, and control background downloads to balance data and timeliness. If an app fails to install or crashes, clear F Droid cache, force reindex the repositories, and try reinstalling. This often fixes corrupted metadata. If issues persist, enable verbose logs or check install reports to see permission denials or signature mismatches. One key tip: revoke and regrant install permission if installations repeatedly fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.